Welcome, here I've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermarks at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the watermark option, so let's pick it. Now we can manage the camera watermarks at this camera app. So the first one here is the date watermark. By using the button from the right we can of course turn it on and off as we need. Then second here is the time watermark. Then device name, so ASUS ZenFone Flip. As you can see here we have short preview how these watermarks looks like. And the last one is the custom, so by using also the button from the right we can turn it on and off, and here we can add our own watermark, for example as you can see the hard reset. And OK, and by using these buttons of course we can manage them. We can add just a 1, 2 or 3 and 4 at the same time as we need. Now let me keep all of them turned on, and let's move back to the camera to see them at the real picture. So let me take a photo, and now let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how it looks like with watermarks at the bottom. Here we can get closer to them. So from the left ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip device watermark, from the right we have hard reset, the custom one with date and time. And of course when we don't need them or need another combination we have to go back to the camera, then to the left corner settings, to the watermark, and manage this as we need or just turn them off. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.